Name is eco-friendly to solar roof tiles. Now this is a wall which you are demonstrating in this. This wall is made up of rock as well as soil. Now the soil and rock is mixed and formed a rock. The advantage of eco-friendly home is that it will preserve the heat. The heat will be trapped inside this wall of rock and mud. Now this will hold the temperature for a long time. Because of this, even the temperature is outside cooler, then it will be little warm inside. So this is the effect of the temperature storage, which will prevent which will isolate the outside atmosphere from the inside atmosphere. For example, in a winter season, the outside will become cool at nights, but due to absorbing of the heat, it will keep the inside of the wall, inside of the room, little warm. Now in this we have placed a small sensor called, this is a Peltier effect sensor. Now this sensor produces electricity. So this will be interacting with the heat of the wall. Now the wall has the temperature inside this, which is little different from the atmosphere. Now when the temperature increase will touch the surface of the sensor, it will generate electricity. We will see the demonstration of it. The Peltier module is to be connected to the multimeter. It will generate very small amount of electricity, so we are using a multimeter to demonstrate the electricity that it has generated. The multimeter has to be placed in 2000 milliamps DC range. 2000 milliamps DC range. Now it is connected. Now it is not showing any electricity. When we increase the surface temperature of this module, then automatically electricity will be observed. Close up. Now you can see that 590, 600, 700, up to 800 millivolts is generated using this module, since the other side of the module is being heated. Since this is in touch with the wall, the temperature of the wall will affect this and it will start generating electricity. We'll see it again. The temperature, as the temperature increases, it will generate, its generation of electricity will also increase. దీన్ని తెలుగులో ఒకసారి చెప్పుకుందాం. ఇది టీఈసీ మాడ్యూల్. ఇది టీఈసీ పెల్టియర్ మాడ్యూల్ అంటారు. ఈ మాడ్యూల్లో సెమీ కండక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి, అంటే పిఎన్ జంక్షన్లు ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఈ జంక్షన్లు ఎప్పుడైతే వేడిని గ్రహిస్తాయో ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీని జనరేట్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇది రెండు విధాలుగా పనిచేస్తుంది. ఒకటేమో వేడిని గ్రహించినప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది, లేదా మనం ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు టెంపరేచర్ని కానీ కూల్నెస్ని కానీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఇది రెండు విధాలుగా పనిచేసే కొత్త మాడ్యూల్. సో దీన్ని మనం గోడలో పెట్టడం వల్ల గోడకున్న వేడిని ఇది గ్రహించి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేయడం మొదలు పెడుతుంది అనమాట. అంటే రాత్రిపూట కూడా మనకి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేసే సదుపాయం ఈ వాల్ వల్ల కలుగుతుంది. జనరల్గా ఏమవుతుందంటే, మనం రాళ్ళు మట్టి పెట్టి ఇల్లు కట్టడం వల్ల పగలంతా వేడిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అది 24 అవర్స్ బఫర్ లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది అనమాట. బయట వేడిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు లోపల చల్లగా ఉంచుతుంది, బయట చల్లగా ఉన్నప్పుడు పొద్దున గ్రహించిన వేడి వల్ల అది లోపలికి ఉష్ణోగ్రతను విడుదల చేయడం వల్ల లోపల వెచ్చగా ఉంటుంది. అటువంటి వాల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడంలో ఆ వాల్ లోపల దీన్ని కానీ మనం అమర్చినట్లయితే ఈ విధంగా ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. రాత్రిపూట కూడా ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే సోలార్ ప్యానెల్స్ పగల మాత్రం ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ జనరేట్ చేస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఇది వెచ్చగా ఉన్న ప్రతిసారి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీని జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది. These are eco-friendly solar roof tiles. Normally solar panels are built using aluminum structure. Because of the aluminum structure, the solar panels become heavier and they become costly. Now we have removed the costly aluminum frame and we have stick the solar panels onto the clay tiles. These clay tiles will absorb heat. Solar panels have got the efficiency of the solar panel increases with the decrease in the temperature of the surface. As the temperature surface increases, the efficiency of the solar panels will come down. So in order to prevent that, we have used fins. These are aluminum foils. This will actually take up the entire heat and it will radiate the heat into the atmosphere, so that the temperature of the solar panels is maintained low. Now whatever the heat this is dissipating, this is absorbed by these eco-friendly panels. Now we have used two panels. Each tile has got a solar panels on it, so these can be quickly attached without requirement of any technician. You just have to connect the connectors, and automatically they will stack up in a series or parallel fashion and generate more electricity. Now a fan has been provided on the top of it. The purpose of this is to clean the surface of the solar panels. The solar panels become less efficient because of the accumulation of the dirt on the surface of the solar panel. Since it is not easy for us to climb the roof and clean every day, we have used a simple brushing mechanism to clean this surface. When the power generated by the solar panel is given to this motor, this will start rotating and it will start cleaning the solar roof. Now the electricity generated from the solar panels is connected in a parallel fashion, and this has been brought to this circuit. This circuit is a solar charger. This is a battery to store the energy, and this is a fan, and a light has been demonstrated. The energy will start storing in the battery during the daytime, and it can be used in the night time. By pressing the switch, the fan as well as the light will get power. So demonstrate it quickly and switch it off so that the energy is not wasted in the battery. Otherwise it will take a long time for you to charge the battery. Another option is given is you can use a cell phone connector here and charge the battery if it gets discharged. When the solar panels are exposed to sunlight, they will generate electricity. This generated electricity is used to charge this battery. Now you can observe, once it is brought into the sunlight, the solar charge controller starts blinking. The blinking indicates that the battery is being charged. When the solar panel is directly connected to the fan, it will start cleaning the solar panels, which will increase its efficiency.